Imagine a helicopter so powerful that it can lift armored vehicles, heavy artillery, and massive cargo weighing more than 16 tons, all while flying through harsh weather and over long distances. This isn't science fiction. Meet the CH-53K King Stallion, the most powerful heavy-lift helicopter ever built for the United States Marine Corps. Designed to replace the legendary CH-53E Super Stallion, the King Stallion represents a new generation of military aviation, combining raw lifting power with cutting-edge technology. So, what makes this helicopter so extraordinary? Let's find out. The CH-53K was developed to solve one of the military's biggest logistical challenges, transporting heavy equipment quickly to places where trucks, ships, or cargo planes simply can't reach. Whether supporting amphibious assaults, humanitarian relief missions, disaster response, or combat operations, the King Stallion is built to deliver heavy cargo exactly where it's needed. At first glance, its size is impressive. The helicopter measures nearly 30 meters from nose to tail and features a massive 7-blade main rotor that generates enormous lifting power. A 4-blade tail rotor provides stability even in strong crosswinds. Powering this giant are 3 General Electric T408 turboshaft engines, each producing around 7,500 shaft horsepower. Together, they generate more than 22,000 horsepower, making the CH-53K one of the most powerful helicopters ever placed into military service. This incredible power allows the King Stallion to carry external loads of more than 16,000 kilograms, nearly 3 times the lifting capability required for many Marine Corps missions. It can transport armored vehicles, artillery systems, engineering equipment, fuel containers, ammunition, and construction machinery in a single flight. Inside the cabin, the helicopter offers a spacious cargo compartment capable of carrying troops, supplies, medical equipment, or pallets of cargo. Large rear-loading ramps allow military vehicles to drive directly into the aircraft, significantly reducing loading and unloading times. But lifting heavy cargo is only part of the story. The King Stallion is designed to perform these missions over long distances. Unlike older heavy-lift helicopters, it can carry significantly heavier loads while flying farther and operating in hot climates or high-altitude environments where aircraft performance is often reduced. This capability is especially valuable during expeditionary operations where Marines must move equipment quickly without relying on established infrastructure. The cockpit represents a major leap forward in technology. Instead of traditional analog instruments, pilots operate using large digital multifunction displays that provide navigation, engine performance, weather data, cargo information, and aircraft diagnostics in real time. A modern fly-by-wire flight control system continuously assists the pilots by making thousands of adjustments every second, improving stability while reducing workload during demanding missions. This becomes particularly important when transporting heavy cargo suspended beneath the helicopter. External sling loads naturally swing during flight, creating complex aerodynamic forces. The King Stallion's advanced flight control computers help minimize these movements, allowing crews to transport heavy equipment with remarkable precision. Another major advantage is survivability. The helicopter incorporates ballistic-tolerant fuel systems, armored protection for critical components, crash-worthy seating, redundant hydraulic systems, and advanced defensive countermeasure systems designed to detect and defeat incoming missile threats. These features improved crew safety during operations in hostile environments. Maintenance has also been dramatically improved. Thousands of onboard sensors continuously monitor engines, transmissions, rotor systems, hydraulics, and electrical components. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, maintenance crews can identify developing problems early, reducing downtime and increasing mission readiness. This predictive maintenance capability allows more helicopters to remain available for deployment. One of the King Stallion's most demanding missions involves external heavy lift operations. Ground crews carefully attach cargo beneath the aircraft using heavy-duty sling systems. Pilots then lift the cargo vertically before carefully accelerating toward their destination. Flying with suspended cargo requires exceptional coordination between pilots, crew chiefs, and ground personnel. Even small changes in wind speed can affect the movement of the load. Every mission demands constant communication and precise flying skills. The CH-53K is also capable of transporting military vehicles such as the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, artillery pieces, and large engineering equipment directly into combat zones. This gives commanders tremendous flexibility when rapid deployment is essential. Beyond combat, the helicopter plays an important role during humanitarian operations. Following earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, and other natural disasters, roads and bridges are often destroyed. The King Stallion can deliver food, water, fuel, generators, construction equipment, medical supplies, and rescue teams directly to isolated communities that cannot be reached by conventional transportation. Its ability to operate from amphibious assault ships also makes it an ideal aircraft for international disaster response. No matter where emergencies occur, the helicopter can rapidly deploy with Marine expeditionary units stationed aboard naval task forces around the world.